Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install your SIM card and SD card into your LG Stylo 4. Hello there and welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And if you're interested in making an extra $1,000 per week working part-time hours from your phone, then check out the video link in the description. Let's get right to the video now. So I'm going to show you how to install them and also how to set up the SD card so that pictures and videos taken from now on are saved to it rather than to the internal memory of the phone. And I'm also going to show you how to transfer old files from the phone to the SD card so that you can free up space on your phone. So first off, we're going to find the SIM and SD card tray. So it's going to be on the side over here where the volume buttons are. Towards the bottom, we're going to get a SIM card ejector tool and we're going to place it in the small hole right here. Push it in and it will come right out. Then you can pull it out gently. Okay, then we're going to get the SIM card and the SD card and place them in the tray. So we're going to place the SD card on this side and the SIM card on this side. Right there, like that. Perfect. So once they're both in there, we're going to go ahead and get the phone and place it back in gently. There we go. Push it all the way in. Let's go ahead and power the phone on. Okay, so it looks like it is reading the SIM card and SD card. If your SIM card is activated, it should pick up signal right away, as you can see up here, and you should be able to make phone calls, receive text messages, and use data right away. There you go, T-Mobile. So the SIM card is activated. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to set up the SD card so that pictures and videos that you take from now on save to the SD card. So we're going to go to camera. Once you open up the camera, this is going to come up. It's going to say change storage to SD card. So there you go. All you have to do is hit change. Okay. If you don't get that message, then we can go to the settings icon up here. Go to storage. And here, just make sure that you select SD card. There you go. Once it's selected, pictures and videos that you take from now on will begin to be saved in the SD card rather than the internal memory of the phone. So now let's go ahead and show you how to transfer old files from the memory of the phone to the SD card to free up space in your phone. So we're going to have to find the files. It should be here in the management folder in the LG Stylo 4. Go to File Manager, Allow. And then once we're here in the File Manager, we're going to want to make sure that we select internal storage. So first we're going to go to internal storage. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to transfer over pictures and videos to the SD card. So we're going to go to DCIM, camera. As you can see, I have some pictures and videos here. You're probably going to have a lot more. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to select these three dots up here and we're going to select move. Once we select move, we're going to hit select all. Transfer all of them. We're going to go to move. And then now we're going to select SD card. And then here I'm going to save it in the same folder inside the SD card, DCIM. And I'm going to create a new folder for this phone. We're going to name it LG Stylo 4. Save. And I'm going to select that folder and move the files here. So let's hit OK. And there are my pictures and videos. Let's go back to the internal storage to make sure that they are no longer in there. Go to DCIM, camera. And as you can see, there are no files now in the DCIM folder of the internal memory of the phone. So keep in mind, you could do this also with any other file type that you have in the internal memory of your phone. You can transfer it over to the SD card to free up space on your phone. Alright everyone, so that was just a quick video on how to install your SIM card and SD card into your LG Stylo 4. So hope that video was helpful. Go ahead and please give this video a like, and I'll see you guys around in the next video. Peace.